Guys, I never showed you this thing. What year is it?
1942.
1942 Ford N. Ray's had it for quite a while. He just sold it. Guy's coming to pick it up. I figure I'd get a quick video of him just sitting on it before we try to fall into the ditch where he's got it. He seems to like it. We towed this thing up here before. I wish I got a video of him towing it with his Ford Ranger. Something smells gassy up here. You smell it? I don't know.
You got a picture of me?
Yeah, I got a video of him.
Mikey!
You flipped me off.
Now I get a good picture of it.
I don't know how to do this. There's like a ditch here.
Well, you could... if you turn it that way, you won't be in the sun.
I know, it doesn't. It likes the sun.
You need the light?
Yeah, I need the light.
Ah, Mike.
Yep, Ray.
You got it?
Farmer Ray there. Get a quick video of me on it. This is fun. I can't hope the guy can get it out of here. Ray's liquidating a lot of his stuff and putting the money, I think, into a '63 Impala. He got this as a trade on. But it's pretty cool, guys. I would have bought it, but I really should have bought it if my mother would have killed me.
All right, you guys still got it on?
Yeah. It's
what do I got to do?
Just pointing at me. You'll see it in the view.
Don't do nothing else. Just point it at you.
I believe it's on.
Okay, it's on. I see you on there. Hi, Mike. Put your hands on the steering wheel. Get them greasy.
Oh yeah.
Now look at me.
Imagine if I took off on this thing, guys, and went to somewhere else with it.
Yeah, you'd have went right through the VFW. You would have went in for
that story about me taking off on the
you would have went for a cold one.
For a month and a half.
He would have had a cold one.
No problem.
That's Mikey, Farmer Mike on the 1942 8N tractor.
This is basically made with like Model A parts.
It's Model A motors, similar to Model A motors, same blocks. They're well.
In the viewfinder.
Yeah, yeah, they're well built. They're well built. They're
nice.
Strong. People pay $2,500 or more, or $3,000 or more for a lawn tractor, and they don't know what they got when they got this.
Thing with a brush cutter.
Yep.
Be fun.
Yep.
Imagine tipping this thing over.
You jump off it.
Yeah, you jump off.
Yep. It's in neutral, ain't it?
Yeah, it's in neutral. You can get it out of here.
Yeah. All you gotta do is steer it straight.
Alright, guys, we're gonna end it here.
You got it.
Guys, there she goes. They just pop started it. And there she goes. Bye, tractor. Bye-bye. Say bye, Ray.
Bye.
Bye, junk.
Bye.
Alright, guys, me and Ray are just trying to see if this thing's gonna ship and get. He said $40, but price is gonna go up if it runs. I can't. I want to get it, but it'll hurt my back as it's too moving. Hold it on the engine. It fits in there. I hope I got a key for it or not.
Regular lawnmower key.
I don't have one on this.
That one might work.
This one?
Yeah, they're all the same. Regular lawnmower key.
I haven't. Does it turn? Oh, I see it's on. See the solenoid click, guys? Yeah. You got something that goes in there. Usually like old lock keys. There's a lot of key right there.
Hold your camera. Never mind. I got it. Go
Backwards. Backwards. Let's go.
Oh, alright.
It's clicking, you can hear it.
You gotta get it in there right, don't bend the key.
I don't want to go in there. You know what I mean? It's one of those weird keys.
No, this is the key I used the other day on here. Got your which name on?
That's on.
Clicking, but that's all it's doing.
Got a screwdriver?
What do we do with the screw? Oh, I put it back in the truck.
Okay. It's clicking, you can hear the solenoid clicking, guys. I'm gonna shut off a minute.
Where
exactly is the solenoid on it? It's down there, Ray. It's right there. Solenoid over here. Try and see if it runs. I don't even think you need the key switch engaged to start it.
Gotta go to 1 to 1?
Yeah, 1 post to 1 this year.
Okay.
Is it working?
And how you gonna get something in there to go to post with a screwdriver that?
You gotta put it between it.
I know how you do it, Mike.
Maybe my jump pack said, I don't know, I don't think it is. What did you buy and hook it up to your truck?
Yeah. Might not have enough wallop to it.
See, she runs, guys.
Oh, running nowhere.
Oh, good.
Well, it's not right. Damn. Pepper's hot.
You can jam that
Smell
in.
the burning at where?
Gee. Try one of your keys, I guess, or a screwdriver, maybe.
The switch is on, Mike.
Yeah.
I burnt my fucking finger on that.
God.
I already tried one of my keys in there.
And you and Byron had it going one day.
It's all the way over on start, that's it.
Right. Right, cable's tight?
Cables are tight. These connections here look good, so I don't know why it...
This battery's too dead to start.
The battery's been in it ever since I got it, so...
I know an idea. You're not going to like it.
What?
Leave the battery on the ground and start it on the solenoid with the jump pack on the red.
Leave the battery on the ground.
This ground here, and then which one is for the battery? You can start it like that and put it on the battery, on the solenoid.
On the jump pack?
Yeah, if it'll reach.
Well, you're going to have to move that.
That's why I used to start some of them.
Hold that.
Why don't put it in there. Might work, might not.
No, got to switch on. Might help.
No, you got it on the wrong side. Clip it on, wait a minute.
That's your negative right there.
Yeah, clip it on the red side of the solenoid. And then ground it to the battery. You know what I'm doing, right?
This one goes on this side?
Yeah.
On this side? They're both
the
reds.
right. The right. This is the battery wire. It goes on the battery side of the solenoid. And then
so that the battery side of the solenoid is
it's
which one?
Right. The right one.
The farthest one towards me?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. And then we can just start it on the battery. This isn't really safe to do. We gotta be careful. Oh god, the backpack's falling. We're trying, guys. We're trying. Sorry I didn't bring my tripod. No, not that one. The other side.
I just asked you that a minute ago.
The right. The right. The right towards
well, my
me.
right is your left.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Now just ground that out. It's turning that shaft. I told you that.
Yeah, it does work.
That's all.
I never heard that. No.
That's all it's doing is turning that shaft.
That sounds like a headache. Didn't even start. That's not good. We tried, guys. We tried.
It'll be a headache when I put it on the white truck and get rid of it.
Yeah, I think you should. People don't buy it. Not something I'd be interested in. Oh, it's getting back together, guys. We tried.